All right, what is going on, guys? It is Melch here, and I'm here with a new video talking about day trading. Now, this is the start of a new series. I'm doing a boot camp on how to day trade, what is day trade, and I'm going to teach everyone the basics, the fundamentals, and then go into strategies, how to read charts, and how to eventually make money. That's the goal for everyone, right? So this is not going to be a crazy video. If you just want to click on this video and learn how to make $1 million, just click off right now. This is just a simple video. I'm going to show you a few things. This is a basic introduction, and if you don't want to stick around to actually learn the skill of making money with trading, then just click off the video right now because I'm going to show y'all proof. This is my paid performance accounts for the past two weeks. I've already ran up this right here. Paid performance accounts on Apex. So I'm a funded trader. As I'll show you right here, I have two 50K accounts right now funded. So basically, I'm going to go over that in a minute. But yeah, for the people that do know, I am a funded trader. So I do know what I'm doing. And like I said, if you do not want to learn, if you do not want to take the time out of your day to invest in yourself to watch this video, then just click off, man. I don't really care. But the people that have been wanting to learn, this is for you guys. So what is day trading, right? So day trading versus investing. So you probably have heard of investing. You get your paycheck and you put your money into a fund, right? And eventually over time it goes up. So this is the left side of the chart. We have Apple. People choose to invest in Apple because they believe in it long term. Okay, I get $1,000 every month and I'm going to put $200 a month into Apple stock because I believe Apple is going to continue to rise throughout the decades. And it's like, I want to grow my money, right? This is long term. This is investing. On the right is day trading. What is day trading? Day trading is buying and selling in the same day, in the same hour, right? You're not buying to hold long term for years and years and years to make a return on your investment. You're looking to buy and sell within the same day, within the same trading session. Now, how does this work? So on this right chart, you want to just identify levels that you cultivate, levels that you formulate like a plan, like, okay, at this level, I want to see this. And if that happens, I'm going to sell, I'm going to buy. And how do people make money? Because every day people are buying the stocks. Every day people are buying Bitcoin. Whatever you're trading, every day people are buying and selling it. So price is fluctuating. You could be a part of that. You could buy right here and later in the day it goes up here and you sell it, right? And you make that difference, right? So day trading is quickly, getting in a position and getting out of a position, buying and selling within the same day. There's a lot of active participants in the market. You have your Wall Street traders, you have your banks, you have your firms, you have your institutions, your whales, like big players of millions, hundreds of millions of dollars that move the market. You have people in Asia, you have people in China, you have people, I don't know if that's Asia and China, is that the same shit? You have people in London, right? Different trading sessions, but everyone's trading the same shit. So there's different trading sessions. There's London session, New York session, and Asia session. I trade New York session. That's about 7 to 10 a.m. And that's when people are actively trading. That's like the most active time where there's banks, institutions, day trading, looking to make money, looking to get in and out of positions. So everyone in the world is day trading. Everyone in the world is buying and selling. And you can identify patterns in the markets to know when to buy and sell, okay? So who day trades? Global banks, institutions, firms. They control the markets because of their massive capital. Now, if I go into open a chart right now, and I place a trade for $50,000, $1,000, it's not going to move the market. My order's going to get filled. I'm in the market, but it's not going to move price at all. Price only gets moved by hundreds of, you need massive order size to do something like this. Move the market up, move the market down. You need a lot of money. So on the other side of traders, there's retail traders like me. These are the traders that cannot move the market with their capital, but play small fish and follow the whales. So as a day trader, you're like people like us, retail traders, your job is to identify the footprints of the whales and follow the whales as a small fish. You're not looking to move the market. You're looking at, all right, where's market going? How can I be a part of this? How can I get in? How can I get out and make money? That's all you're doing. You're a small fish in the game. You're trying to follow where the market is going. The trend is your friend, basically, right? Okay, so that's just a few things. So how do I day trade without using my own capital? That's what I do. I had very small startup money, and I got funded with 250K accounts, and I can make thousands of dollars each month basically. So how do I day trade without using any of my capital? How does this make sense? I trade using prop firms, companies that charge a small fee and allow you to take a difficult challenge to evaluate your trading skills. If you pass, they will give you a funded account with large capital. If you fail the evaluation and you have to pay for another evaluation. That's how these prop firms make money, because 90% of traders fail. They pay the fee, take the evaluation, and fail. And they fail multiple times, so many times. And they buy the account because they want to hit big. They think trading is super easy. And that's how the prop firms make their money. But for the 10% of traders that do know how to trade, these prop firms, like the ones I use, they will work with you. And if you pass the evaluation, they will give you a funded account. And here's 50K. You can make profit, but if you lose a certain amount of money, your account's gone. So if you know what you're doing, and if you're a good trader, you can use these prop firms to your advantage, pass these evaluations, get funded, and eventually start making payouts and profit. So that's basically what I'm doing, and I just got funded finally. It took me so long to get funded. It took me little less than a year of actively trying to get funded and get payouts, and I've finally done it. So just hard work, and I've been studying trading for over 3 years, and I'm finally seeing results, consistent results, and I feel like it's clicking now, honestly. That's why I'm doing this series, guys, because I want to teach y'all. I'm finally getting it, and I'm finally getting results. I'm about to get a payout at the end of this month. Okay, probabilities, okay? So what are the probabilities of being a successful day trader? It's true. 90% of traders fail. This is because they either give up too early. So this is because they give up too early and also come into trading with the wrong expectations. If you come into the market expecting to get rich quick, you'll most likely get clapped. You'll just get pounded. You'll get destroyed. The only way to truly make money is from trading is to learn and find a mentor or just take signals. And signals are, I have a Discord, I have a voice chat. I'm telling people when to buy and sell. If you're sitting down on the virtual with me, all right, buy right now. Okay, take profit. We're done. Boom. We just made a few $100s in fucking 10, 15 minutes. That's taking the signal. Literally just not learning how to fish, but sitting next to me, I'm fucking reeling in massive weight, fucking throwing out nets, and I'm feeding y'all fucking on a fucking silver platter. That's what taking signals are. Have I ever taken a signal? No. I wanted to learn trading for myself, so I never had to rely on anybody, because I knew this was the skill that if I learned and I made my own strategy, I could potentially change my life for the fucking better. So the only way to make money in trading is if you find a mentor who's done and is doing what you want to do, and you literally just learn from him and learn from his mistakes and learn from his strategy. You will learn you can make money trading. It's possible. I'm doing it. Or take signals. I'm going to be doing both soon, where I'll give signals and I'll do mentorship. So whatever you want to do, if you want to learn the skill, or if you want to take the risk and follow in my signals and try to make money. So that's what I'm doing, okay? So enough of the slideshow. Let me just show you a little bit about, the platform I'm using right now is Apex. Just regulating trading servers, basically. It's like hopping into a match and trading, hopping into a Call of Duty lobby and trading. There's different lobbies, there's different futures. What do you want to trade? So I trade NASDAQ. Now, NASDAQ is a popular investment vehicle where people will put their money in long term to the NASDAQ, to the S&P 500. You probably heard of these. I don't hold long term. I don't hold for more than an hour. I'm in and out. So I'm trading. You can trade anything. You can trade Bitcoin. You can trade the NASDAQ. You can trade the US dollar. You could trade soybeans. You can trade oil, gasoline. You can trade anything in the world. There's so many things that they have a future. Anyways, this is Apex Funded Trader. Now, if you come down, there'll be these accounts. So 100K account, 150K account, 50K account. This is the one I use. So basically, you have a starting capital. You need a profit goal of $3,000, but you can't lose more than $2,500. So you gotta learn how to. You actually have to know how to trade, and you can't blow the account. Or this is the fee, $167 to pay the account fee. Usually with Apex, there's a lot of coupon codes, so it's never $167 for the account fee. But still, if you run through accounts and blow account after account, the money will still add up, right? So there's usually 80% codes all the time. So don't worry about that number right now, but just these are the accounts, and you can do your own due diligence and look into them. But you can buy accounts. The 50K account is the one I recommend. This is the one I use. Start with your first 50K account or your 25K account. It's not much less than a 50K. That's why I go for the 50K accounts. So like I said, Apex Funded Trader is a prop firm. These prop firms give you a challenge. Okay, get this profit target, but don't lose this amount of money. Basically, show me you know how to trade, and we'll give you an account. We'll give you $50,000, $100,000 to trade with. And someone like me who passed the account now has the funded account, the paid performance account. So whatever profit I make on top, I don't take the 50K. That's not my money. Whatever profit I make on top of the 50K, a few thousand, I'll take the few thousand and my account goes back to 50K, and I rinse and repeat until I just make so much money, or if I reach the maximum drawdown where I can't lose a certain amount of money. So that's how these work, okay? So Apex Funded Trader, I'm gonna make a in-depth video on how to set this up. This is just what I use. This is just an introduction. And another thing, TradingView. You wanna get on TradingView to look at the charts. So like I said, you can trade, everything in the world is traded. Gold is traded, soybeans are traded, coffee beans are traded. Everything is traded. So this is the gold chart. Gold versus the US dollar. Sometimes gold is worth more than the US dollar. Sometimes when it dips down, it's not worth as much as the US dollar. That's basically all that means. This is the gold chart. And these are candles, candlestick charts. These shows price. So the green candle it was a green day. Price went up. Red candle, price went down that day. So this is just an introduction just to show y'all guys. I'm going to go a lot more in depth on this series. But here, like, look, you have the Apple stock. This is something that is more comprehensible for newer people. Apple. Sometimes Apple has a good season. Sometimes Apple has a poor season. Sometimes they come out with a new iPhone and maybe you want to trade that day. And there's a lot of volatility and price fluctuations in the Apple stock. They have the US dollar index. You can trade anything. And this is the NASDAQ. This is what I trade every day. So this is my chart, and I make my levels. And I figure out where I want to get in, where I want to get out. Where's price going today? What is price doing today? All right, guys. So this is just an introduction video on what is day trading versus investing, how to day trade, how you can make money day trading. It's just a ground rule video. Anyone can make money day trading, but 90% of people just log on, think it's super easy, throw all their money in and lose it all. And they say, it's a scam. Trading's a scam. I've done this shit for so many years. I failed so many times. I've been fucking mad at myself so many times. I punched walls. I screamed and I shout, and I was tired of losing money. And I finally been getting it nail on the fucking head, or hammer on the fucking head recently. And I'm finally getting it, and I'm finally understanding because I've been locked in. Every day I show up to the market. Every morning I have not missed a day because I'm dedicated. And that's why I'm able to make these profits. So as you can see, these are just for this past 2-3 weeks. And yeah, so anyone can make money day trading. This is just episode 1 of the Bootcamp. What is day trading? How to day trade? It's Melch. Like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. This is just the first episode. Like my social media where I update y'all guys every day on my profit targets on my Instagram. So everything in the description. Thank you for watching. And yeah, if you made it this end, you're making that investment into yourself, into your own knowledge, into your future. So hey, good shit for that. Hey, it's been Melch. I'll catch y'all later. Thank you for watching.